Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My discussion topic is olives. The olive, known by the botanical name Olea europaea, meaning European olive, the species of olive is cultivated in all countries like South America, South Africa, India, China, Australia, New Zealand, Mexico, and the United States, and especially in Pakistan. And now we will discuss the history of olives. But before this, you can see the picture of olives. History of olives. The olive tree is thought to have been domesticated from the wild oleaster at a minimum of 9 different times. The olive was native to Asia Minor and spread from Iran, Syria, and Palestine to the rest of the Mediterranean basin 6,000 years ago. It is among the oldest known cultivated trees in the world, being grown before the written language was invented. The question arises there, why we cultivate olives? And the same relevant question is that reason of harvesting. What is the reason of harvesting? So we will discuss this topic. Cultivation on marginal land without replacing other crops. Second point is to lessen the import bill of edible oil. The third point is olive is labor extensive venture. Creation of more jobs will improve the socio-economic conditions. Next point is drought resistant and environment wide adaptably not only in arid areas but also in plains of the Punjab. The next point is more economic returns compared to other field crops. And the second last point is no extra care and attention compared to other fruit crops. The last point is longest productive life 200 to 250 years than all other fruit trees. And now we talk about olive in religion. As you know, olives have a great importance in religions like in religion of Islam and religion of Christianity. As a food staple and a valued source of cooking and lamp oil, the olive holds a place of prestige and special symbolism in many religions, including Islam. References to olives and olive trees are found throughout the Quran, Islam's holy book, and in the teaching of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. For Muslims, the inclusion of olive and olive oil in religion observance invokes the words of Allah, Muhammad, and even heavenly paradise. Some of the world's most widely followed religions place great significance on olives and olive trees. Even so, the use of olive oil in religions rituals has its origins in pagan ceremonies. Olive has a huge importance in Christianity and in Islam. Types of olives. There are millions of types and species of olives. Some of these are here. You can see different types of olives. And now we will talk about olives in Pakistan. Olive was introduced first time in Pakistan by PARC during 1986 under an Italian project titled Fruit, Vegetable and Olive Project funded by Government of Italy. After this project, a general survey was conducted to estimate the number of naturally occurred wild olive species, Olea cuspidata, and found more than 80 million wild olive plants in different districts of Pakistan. Under another government 5.5 million olive plants were top worked, but less than 1% plants survived in the result of top working because of management of top worked plants. And now we discuss exports in Pakistan. Here you can see USA with a share of 11.4%, South Africa with a share of 6.22%, and Canada with a share of 3.69%. And imports in Pakistan, Italy with a share of 11.8%, Turkey with a share of 5.67%, and China, India, and many countries. Here you can see the map of olive plantation in Pakistan. And now we will discuss an important topic, that is olive oil extraction. Olive oil extraction is the process of extracting the oil present in olive drops known as olive oil. Olive oil is produced in the mesocarp cells and stored in particular type of vacuole. Every cell contains a tiny olive oil droplet. Olive oil extraction is the process of separating the oil from the other fruit contents, vegetative extract, liquid, and solid material. It is possible to attain this separation by physical means alone. Oil and water do not mix, so they are relatively easy to separate. This contrasts with other oils that are extracted with chemical solvent, generally hexane. The first operation when extracting olive oil is washing the olives to reduce the presence of contaminants, especially soil. Soil which can create a particular flavor effect called soil taste. Here is the procedure of olive oil extraction. So first we take olive fruits, washing them, and after this crushing. And next procedure is relaxation and centrifugation. After centrifugation, we get two forms. One is olive water and second is olive oil. So our requirement is olive oil, and then we filtrate the olive oil and store it. And now we will discuss olive in food. As we know, olive have great importance in our diet, like low calorie, good fat without becoming too high in total fat. Participants experience a decrease in their blood cholesterol. Memory. Olives contain polyphenols, a natural chemical that reduce oxidative stress in the brain. By eating a daily serving of healthy olives, you can help improve your memory. Beauty enhancer. And second point is appetite control. By eating a few olives before a meal, you can take the edge off your appetite. Pain reduction and anti-cancer. And now we will discuss olive advantages. Number one is they can help with weight loss. Number two is they offer cardiovascular benefits. Number three is they help with preventing cancer. Number four is they are good for the eyes. Number five is skin benefits. And last one is hair problem solver. And now we will discuss olive disadvantages. Number one is they can disease associated with trans and saturated fats. Second point is they can cause low blood sugar and pressure. Number three is they increase the chances of inflammation. Number four is they can cause diarrhea. Number five is they can cause blockage in gallbladder. And last one is lowers blood pressure and blood sugar level below normal. After discussing the olive topic, we conclude that olive is a small fruit with a lot of advantages, but too much olive use in our diet can cause serious problems for us. This is a huge process behind the extraction of olive oil. Olive oil is an important food in Mediterranean diet. This eating style has been linked to better health and a lower risk of chronic disease. Olive leaves have also been used historically in Middle East as a herbal treatment for various health problems, but there is a very little scientific evidence supporting its use. Thank you so much.